So hello, today we're going to be doing our coursework 2 task 1. So let's get started. First, we're going to go and create ourselves a root user. After that, we're going to create our new user with user add command. Now we're going to see if our user has been created and what group and user it is. Now after that, we're going to go and install a password in it. So after the password, we're gonna go and give it user mode and give a sudo group to our new user. After that, we're gonna go and change our self from root user to our newly created user. Now after that, we're gonna type who am I to see who am I is my username. So then now we're gonna check the group and user of this new user, and it's ourselves. Now we're gonna change the bin/ss to sh shell. So to do that, we can go sudo change shell -s bin sh. Now after that, we're gonna put our password in it, and now let's check it. Oh, this seems to be a problem. Wait. ns/bin/sh. Now it is done. So after that, I'm gonna check who am I is Utsav and go to Kali now and into our user to get the ZSH. Again, who am I and pwd for where am I. Now we're in /home/Utsav. Now we're gonna go and make ourselves desktop so that we can use desktop. Now we're gonna have to create some files. These are the file 1, file 10, file 11, file 2, and all of these files are supposed to be created. I did a mistake up there, so just gonna do it once again here. So to create a space in the file name, we're gonna use the above command. And now let's check if we made all of these or not. Now if you check this as second file small bracket, that's just the problem. So we're gonna let it go. Now we can see the word count, and now let's go inside desktop and do that again. Now we're gonna create a vim file where we're gonna write this is a vim file. Now after that, we're gonna go and do ls small bracket a to small z and capital A to capital Z to 9 to 0 to 9, so that we can see all the files in ascending. Now we're gonna go ls-i vim file so that we can check all the file except vim file. Now cat vim file, this is vim file. This is to read out vim file. Now we can go rm-i vim file to delete it and echo success or echo error. So if it's gone, it's going to be success. It's a success. Now ls this and ls0 to 9 and question mark can give us the 1 to 3 file. Now we can go and do sudo arg nr 1 to nr5 print password txt. After that, we can go and do our go to Kali. After that, we can go and add a group, but yeah, group add, user add. We're gonna add those. As user, we have a group name called name NAM33. Now we can add user add -m-z name 33 user I, and again name user 2. Now we've created 2 users. Now we can write content for the file. Now we can go sudo pass for 1 and password for user 2. After that we can go and sudo usermod -az name 33 on user 1, and I can do that to change the group of user 1 and 2 from whatever it is to NAM33. It's supposed to be ethical 33, but we got NAM33. Now we can check if it's done or not. After that we can go to root and create a test file, but accidentally I created it in /home/Kali, so I need to do it once again. When I checked test.file, it didn't show up because it was not created in this directory. So we're gonna do it again. This time we're gonna do it on sub/desktop, which is my directory, so that it could work. Now after doing that, we can switch back to our user, and now let's check if there is or not. We can see there's a text file right over here. Now if you say ls-l test file, we can see all the permissions it has. Now we can change the owner from sub name 33. After that we're gonna go and change the permissions of user, group, and other group read, other read and write test file. We check that it's done. Now if we go to other user, we cannot get access to it. That's it.